How to create a Medium account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Medium account. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to your browser, and from here in the search bar, you need to type Medium. And once you have done that, you need to click on first link that appears that says medium.com. Now, you need to simply go ahead and click on Get Started. From here, you can choose whether you want to sign up with Google, Facebook or email. Here, I'll be choosing Google. You can choose any other option if you want. Now, once you have selected the Gmail, you need to simply go ahead and click on Continue. And from here, you need to go ahead and enter the full name over here. Once you have done that, you need to click on Create Account. Now, you can choose what you are interested in. Here, I'll be choosing data science, technology, programming. Once you have chosen your interest, you need to go ahead and click on Continue. Now, you can select whether you want to pay monthly or annually. You can simply go ahead and cross if you don't want to do that now. And that's it. You have now created your Medium account. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.